In Clermont, homeowners enjoy the benefits of Florida's warm climate and sunshine nearly year-round. However, with high humidity and seasonal heat, keeping a home comfortable often means relying heavily on air conditioning. While AC is essential, it's not the only way to create a cooler, fresher indoor environment. Modern windows are designed to increase natural ventilation, helping Clermont families enjoy fresh air circulation while reducing energy use. Here's how upgrading your windows can improve airflow, comfort, and overall quality of life in your home. Why ventilation matters. Good ventilation is about more than just comfort. It has several important benefits for Clermont homeowners. Healthier air quality. Fresh air circulation reduces indoor pollutants, allergens, and humidity buildup. Lower energy bills. Relying on natural airflow reduces the need for constant AC use. Moisture control. Proper ventilation helps minimize mold and mildew in Florida's humid climate. Comfort. Natural breezes create a cooler, more enjoyable atmosphere inside your home. Modern window designs are built with features that make achieving these benefits easier than ever. Casement windows. Perfect for capturing breezes. Casement windows are hinged on one side and swing open like a door, creating a wide opening for airflow. Their design makes them especially effective at catching side breezes and directing them into your home. Benefit for Clermont houses. On cooler evenings or breezy days, casement windows bring in fresh air while reducing dependence on air conditioning. Ideal placement. Kitchens, bedrooms, or living rooms where steady ventilation is needed. Double-hung windows. Flexible airflow control. Double-hung windows feature two sashes that slide vertically, allowing you to open both the top and bottom simultaneously. Ventilation advantage. Warm air escapes through the top while cooler air enters through the bottom, creating a natural circulation cycle. Best for Clermont homes. Bedrooms and family rooms, where adjustable airflow helps maintain comfort without overworking your cooling system. Sliding windows. Wide openings for maximum airflow. Sliding windows operate on a horizontal track, making them easy to use while offering large, unobstructed openings. Ventilation advantage. Their wide glass panels let in plenty of air and natural light. Perfect placement. Living areas, hallways, or spaces where you want to maximize airflow with minimal effort. Awning windows. Ventilation. Even on rainy days, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a sloped surface. Ventilation advantage. You can enjoy airflow even during Clermont's sudden rain showers, as the design keeps water from entering your home. Best for bathrooms, kitchens, and basements where consistent ventilation is key. Modern features that enhance ventilation beyond the style of window you choose. Today's designs come with features that make natural ventilation even more effective. Slimmer frames allow for larger glass surfaces and bigger openings. Tilt and turn technology provides multiple opening options for adjustable airflow. Advanced screens keep out insects while allowing maximum air circulation. These features ensure that fresh air flows easily into your Clermont home without compromising comfort or security. Energy efficiency and comfort combine. Some homeowners worry that opening windows means losing efficiency, but modern windows strike a balance. With improved seals and insulated glass, they keep your home energy efficient when closed. When open, they allow natural airflow that reduces the need for cooling, ultimately lowering energy costs. Final thoughts for Clermont homeowners. Upgrading to modern windows is an investment in comfort, health, and savings. Styles like casement, double-hung, sliding, and awning windows are designed to maximize natural ventilation, giving you control over your indoor climate while reducing reliance on air conditioning. By improving airflow and letting in fresh breezes, modern windows create a brighter, healthier, and more enjoyable living environment. For families in Clermont looking to combine efficiency with comfort, modern window installation is a smart step toward a fresher home.